Chapter 2, A Snake Charmer's Story. First word is bean. Meaning is flute-like instrument which is used by snake charmers. And sentence is saperas used to play bean to attract the snakes. Second word is fangs. Meaning is long, sharp hollow of a snake. Parts of speech is noun, and we can make sentence I got scared when I saw fangs of snake. Third word is poisonous. Meaning is a substance that harms or kill people. Parts of speech adjective. Sentences some mushrooms are poisonous in nature. Fourth word is Kalbelias. Meaning it is a type of tribe in Rajasthan. Part of speech noun. Sentences Kirti Kulhari will be playing the role of Rajasthani girl Gulabo, the queen of Kalbelia. Next word is livelihood. Meaning the way that ones earn money. Part of speech noun. Sentence is there is a lots of difference in livelihood of rural and urban areas. Next word is saperas. Meaning snake charmers. Part of speech is noun. Sentence there are many saperas in Rajasthan. Next word is bamboo. Meaning a tall tropical grass with hard hollow stem. Parts of speech is noun, and sentence is there are a lots of bamboo tree in the Amazon forest. Chapter 3, Up You Go. First word is blisters. Meaning a small painful area of skin that looks a bubble. Parts of speech verb. Sentence is I have got a blister on my left foot. Second word is pittance. Meaning a spike driver into a rock or crack to support a climber or a rope. Parts of speech nouns. Sentence is he noted that some younger members had adopted the new technique of rock climbing with pittance and ropes. Next word is rucksacks. Meaning a bag with shoulder which allow it to be carried on someone's neck. Part of speech noun. Sentences all his camping gear was packed in a rucksack. Next word is wind cheater. Meaning a wind resistant jacket. Parts of speech noun. Sentence we are wearing wind cheater. Peg. Meaning a short pin or bolt. Parts of speech is noun, and the sentence is hang your overcoat on the peg in the hall. Next word is tuggings. Meaning pull something hard or suddenly. Parts of speech verb. Sentences she was tugging at the necklace. Mountaineering. Meaning is the sport of climbing mountain. Part of speech noun. Sentence is mountaineering is hazardous for life without proper safety measures. Chapter 10, Walls Tell Story. First word is bastions. A part of a wall of castle which sticks out from which at racks can be made in all direction. Parts of speech is noun. Sentences: hurry, seek shelter behind the bastions. Next word is ensure. To make sure that something happen. Part of speech, verb. Sentence is wash regularly to ensure personal hygiene. Ruins. To damage something so badly that it loses all its value. Part of speech, verb. Sentence is the city lay in ruins after the earthquake. Dampness. The state or conditions of being slightly wet. Part of speech is noun. Sentence is she closed her eyes and dampness slid over her. Next word is cannon. A large gun on a ship, army vehicle, aircraft, etc. Part of speech is noun. Sentence is I saw cannon on the warship. Chisel. A tool with sharp end that is used for cutting or shaping wood or stone. Part of speech, noun. Sentence is she used a chisel to prise off the lid. Mashak, leather bags. Part of speech is noun. Sentence is we are carrying balls in a mashak.